Hello friends, Sketchy's back, and today I'm gonna draw a unicorn. Of course I have my blue pencil for loose scribbling, just to get the basic shapes. I have my black pencil for locking everything down and adding all those really cool details. And I have my soda pop, which I love. And I also have for my snack today, I have some Ritz. These are delicious. The first step in drawing a unicorn is to draw the head. So I'm going to draw just a circle right here like this. And I'm going to draw a diagonal line across this circle. And that'll tell me where to put his nose. Or her nose. I don't know if it's a boy or girl yet. I'll just draw a little circle, just touching the other circle. See that? Then I will draw a line that's horizontal like this, just straight across like this. All right? And I'll do the same thing. This is right in the middle of this big circle. And I'll do the same thing for the little circle. Just like that. They're just parallel lines. From this line intersection to this line intersection, I'm going to draw a curve like this. Just a curve. This is going to be the top of his nose, or her nose, like I said, don't know. Then I'll just draw over here like this. This is the top of his head. We'll do the same thing down here, but it's going to be straight. A straight line from this circle to this circle. Where this intersects right here, we're going to draw a little comma. This is his nostril. Nostril. Draw a comma like this. See how cute that is? And I'm going to draw just a little bump over here. See that? Just a little bump. This is other little nostril. Now, horses have a chin. So I'm going to draw a little circle underneath this bigger circle. I'll draw a smaller circle like this. Not quite a full circle, but an arch. That is this horse's chin. And you see this line that goes horizontal right here? Well, the front of a horse's mouth is often kind of flat. So the upper lip is gonna follow the same straight line like this. Just follow the same straight line. I'm gonna just round off the lips like this. Just round it off. And over here it's rounded off. This is where I'm gonna draw a little smile. Okay, this is a happy unicorn. So just smile it up. And of course, every little smile has a dimple. Check out this dimple. Like that. Now I'm going to draw his or her eye. So right about here is the top of my circle. So I'll draw a circle like this. See that? It's not too close to the side. It's not too close to the smile. But it lifts right up by the halfway point, this halfway line. I'm going to draw from here a little tear duct. And I'm going to arch it over there. So it's got an eyelid that's really, really bright. Okay? So it's got an eyelid that's really, really light. Down here, I'm gonna draw. Let's have him look. Let's have him look at us. That means your pupil will be right in the center, and this is gonna be a big iris. That's where the color is. Iris. Another circle. And you need to be practicing your circles because we use circles all the time when drawing. And I'm gonna draw. Oh, let's draw a highlight here. And a highlight, a big highlight right here. Super, super shiny. Over here, I'm just right below this little point. I'm gonna draw a little less, like this, okay? That way we know where the other eye is, even though it's hidden on the other side of its head. Okay, in between the eyes is the center of its forehead, and that is where the horn should go on the unicorn. I've never seen a unicorn horn come out of his nose or on the back of his head. That's weird. It usually comes out like this. So we'll draw an ellipse. An ellipse is basically a circle in perspective. So if we were looking straight on this little horsey head, it would look like a circle. But because he's leaning to one side, because he's listing to one side, we'll see it as an ellipse. And you can make this horn as long as you want. So I'm gonna make it kind of cute, so it would be out to here. So I will draw a straight line to the center of that horn, and then I'll do the outside lines like this. There we go. A very stubby little unicorn horn. And then at an angle from here, the bottom of this ellipse, I'm going to curve a smiley like this. A smile. And then we'll wrap around the other side, down and then back up again. Wrap around the other side and back up again. And back up again. You'll basically have a curve, a curve, a curve, and a curve. Now the outside edge of those would be like this. I'd make a curve, and a curve, and a curve, so that the spiral horn has some like dimension to it. See that? Yeah, cool. At the very top of his head, where this line comes across, this is where we're gonna put his ear. And think of the ear as a little fat diamond, like this. See that? And over on the other side, about right here, we'll draw another diamond. But it's gonna be a little bit smaller. There we go. And inside, we'll draw this kind of a shape. And over here, we're gonna draw something very, very similar. But we'll see most of the back of the ear on this one. See, this is the front of the ear. Here, this is the front, this side, and this is the back, and this is the back, and this is the front. So his ears are kind of like pointing out like this. Not like this, like this. Oh, my pencil was running away. Now I'm gonna draw the neck. Let's draw a neck. This straight line like this. And from where this circle intersects this chin, I'm gonna draw straight down. Like that. Now let's draw the hair. So think of a hair as a big basic shape. Oftentimes, like on a horse like this, I will draw like a tear shape, like this. Watch. Big circle on the top, and as it comes down, I'm loosely drawing over it. It'll look like a tear. See that? See how it's a tear? Like that? And I will draw another little tear. A little one. So this is a big one. I'll draw a little one right here. See that? Oh, that's so cool. You can draw just another one. Let's see. Let's draw another one right here. It's great big. And from around his ear here. This is definitely looking like a girl unicorn. Not kidding. Super cute. In fact, I kind of want right here, let's put a bow. So let's draw a circle. And then shapes like this. Oh, that's so cute. And let's draw a little teardrop. A little teardrop. See that? Oh, that's so cute. Oh my goodness. Now let's lock it in with a black pencil. But first, I need a little sip of my soda. Then forgive me while I crunch on a Ritz. Just watch this. Snacks are so good. On the bottom side of everything, it's usually really, really dark. Now let's draw the tear duct, the inner eyelid. Now the inner eyelid is probably going to be super, super thick. Because like a girl, they're always wearing makeup or something. This is like eyeliner. And of course the lower eyelid. And make it thicker in the back and thinner up front. Thicker back here and thinner up front. I'm gonna do the same thing right here. Make it thicker. Let's make it really thick. Okay, that's nice and thick. Now remember this eyelid, so we'll go up and over. So I didn't connect it here, that's okay. I'll make it thicker up here at the top and thinner right here. Now let's draw at the end of this eye, eyelash, eyelash, eyelash. Oh, it's so cute. Now thicken up the bottoms here. Oh, that's so cute. Now I'm gonna draw the iris. Oops, I kind of got wacky. And I'm gonna draw the inside of this highlight and this one. Darken in this pupil. Really, really dark. And I love drawing eyes that look shiny. So outside of this highlight and this highlight, I'm gonna start drawing lines like this. And then as I get to the bottom of this eye, the color is gonna get lighter. I'm just not pressing as hard. Up here it's darker. And as they get lower, it gets lighter. Oh, you see how that's shiny? Just lighter and lighter. Super dark up here. Isn't that a beautiful eye? Now let's work on the unicorn horn, the bottom part here. And then this, go like this. And up here, do the same thing. And up here, do the same thing. And here, same thing. Now this bottom part is going to be darker, so it's heavier. I'm going to start with this part of the hair first. And what's fun about this hair, you can draw some more hair in there. Like that. And of course the other side of the hair. Now we're going to hide this part of the ear. We're going to draw right over that. And the hair goes right on the horn. See, it goes right around the horn. And this is all we see. Oh, there's a lash here. Don't want to forget that lash. I'm going to darken up this part here. And this. And this. Oh, and this I'm going to darken up. Now this ear we see. I'll soften this corner just a little bit. And I won't draw it all the way together there, so it has a little softer edge of that ear. And of course the hair. Just do it a couple times. And then starting from the top of the bow. And then let's do the bow here. Circle. 2 teardrops. Wink. Wink. And then the bow. Bow. That's where the ribbon would go, I think. And the other ear on the other side. I'm gonna do a little bit of shading. A little bit of shading in. Using the side of my pencil, I'm just gonna lightly kind of scribble on the top here, a little down here, and of course I will scribble a little bit here in between, and just press lighter and lighter as I get to the top, darker and darker as I get to the bottom where it's shady. Over here I'll do the same thing. Just shade it in like this. And all this I'm going to shade in. And the reason I do this is because it looks more interesting. The shapes now seem to go with each other. There's a little bit of contrast. And there we have a unicorn. And I'm going to put some magic in there. Look, magic, magic, magic. I wish this magic unicorn could give me a wish. I wonder what I would wish for. Maybe more snacks?